Hey y'all, so we're out here, it's freezing. We are doing a cleanup of one of my properties. We literally yesterday took everything out of the house, raked up as much leaves as we could. I'm gonna turn this around. Yeah, see, the yard is cleaned up. Ooh, it's freezing. We are done. We got the house clear and clean. Ooh. All this stuff came out of the house, like furniture and everything. I think there's one huge TV that's still in the house, one of them old floor models. We got to get out, but yeah, we got the couches and everything out here. So that's it, guys. Okay. Yeah, that's about all we're gonna do at this property. Hold on just a second.
Thank you. So we get other little jobs, so we're gonna be buying up a lot of the houses around here. We get little jobs like that. If y'all want, y'all come do our cleanup guys with those.
Yep.
Help you out. Oh yeah. All right, thanks, Shaman. Yeah, whenever I come up, I just come in. If you're all over there, you see me, just come over and see if I got anything for you. All right? Good?
Go.
All right, so what's going on? What's going on over here?
Oh,
So we just helped out.
yeah, I'll get the address.
We're going to get this address across the street also.
There's an empty one across the street. We're gonna get
We
to.
already have two. We have two on the street right now. What's going on?
Hi, I'm Stephanie. So I think you just logged on. What we did was we cleaned out one of my properties yesterday, and this is all the stuff that came out of it. So.
All we're doing is cleaning out, as you can see. Everything's cleaned out. Now, this is all in less than 24 hours. We came and got the kids in the neighborhood. We had everybody, the neighbors coming in.
Oh, yeah, we had some neighborhood help.
So this was a property that had fire damage in it. So we're going to come on in. We're going to get these rugs pulled out, right? Pull out the rugs. And I get this, all the soot. You can see all the soot in there. We got a guy across the street. The community people are coming in and helping out. So we got some guys next door that do painting and sheetrock and all that. So we're going to get this carpet up because there was actually water that had spilled all within. So you know all that mold and stuff started going, and we can see the little stuff. So we'll come in and get somebody to come in, and obviously we'll just bleach the whole thing down and put some kills on it, right? But we'll get down. We're gonna put a new floor down here, right? So we'll put new flooring down here. This is the area. Here's the thing. Like, you don't always have to knock out things. Like, there's what you can restore, refurbish, refresh, right? You can put new screw things on there, new cabinets. You can paint things. It's a lot of different things. So I'm not one to just run out spending a whole bunch of money if the area doesn't justify it. And we already have people calling in because they're looking for rent to own projects. So all this will be cleaned out, and actually I could have the kids clean out everything. So I'll get them to come on back through and just throw everything in bags and stuff. Right? So we got everything out of here. Once again, just a lot of soot and stuff over here. Change the pipe in it. I'll probably put a better sink in here, right? So we've already figured $80 for the sink in there. This top is cracked. We may even go as far as just put a new. I mean, they have the whole complete sets. We can get it for $150.
Yeah.
You know, one thing we probably will do is get some newer windows.
Yeah.
In here as well, right? And just turn this baby around. We can expect to bring in $650 a month, 3-bedroom.
This is where the fire
now, remember,
was.
There's no, the properties are so cheap up here. We actually can clear. Let's say we charge $650 a month. We buy on owner financing and we sell on owner financing. So the way that we have, the way my chicken account is set up is, right? So we buy on owner financing and we sell on owner financing. So the way that this is set up, there's still enough room in here to clear almost $500 a month, right? Clear almost $500 a month. So that's what it is. So it's about getting these assets, right? Learning how to get these assets, get this big TV out there. I tried to get a girl across the street, see if they wanted it. She's like, no, we don't want them big box TVs. We trying to get it. We want the flat screens. So this is that room over here. This is the 3rd bedroom, which there's a fire damage in here. So once we get the lights cut on in here, those will be cut on next week. So this, yeah, we'll cut out. We'll cut out pieces of sheet in there, right? So here's the thing, guys. We have something called flip shares, right? We're introducing flip shares. Flip shares gives people the opportunity.
That's a big closet.
To come in. We're just gonna go look in the basement real quick. Gives people the opportunity to come in and put in on rehab projects with us and take advantage of the monthly cash flow as we set up Airbnbs, corporate housing, and things of that nature. So here's the basement. So this could be one right here where somebody could come in on our brand new flip share program. So let's just say you said, hey, Cecil, hey, Janelle, we want to come in. I want to put $5,000 in. And we take that $5,000, get the stuff up and running the way it should be running. And so we got mold out here running, and then we'll get a return on your investment. You'll become a part of. I like the scan over here. Even though it's garbage, but I still like it. You become a part of the corporation and the shares in that.
This is a big space over here.
Yeah, it is.
This is huge. Wow. It's a big basement. All right, guys. All right.
So, to be honest, Cindy will make it. Pay them kids like $50 and let them clean out inside of here. Right? So, yeah, I'm frozen over here. I don't know what happened. Yeah, I froze up. Yeah. So, yeah. Huh? That's it.
All right. It's not closed. Alright, I'm getting back in the car. Warm up a little bit. Alright guys, as you guys heard, we do have flip shares if you're interested in partnering up with us to do some of the rehab on these properties. You can buy into some shares and we can all be making money. So yeah, this is property 1. We do own another property on the street that needs some minor fix up too. It's not as bad as this one, but all right, guys, we're out. You want to say something? Okay. All right, we're gonna log off, charge up our phones, and we'll log back in when we get to our next destination.